Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is Uncle Nate here with
Ayden the Shark.
We're going to show you most of the footage from our Heat 1 race at the third Florida Oval Asphalt race. We took first all weekend in both heats and the main. We pick it up here in Heat 1. Who's the young man in front right now?
Case.
That's your buddy Case?
Yeah.
So Case races go-karts and wrestles as well, just like Ayden, and they've gotten to be pretty good friends. Looks like you took the lead from him, buddy.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Come over and say good job later?
Yes.
Yeah. So, we took the lead here in Heat 1, really with about 5 laps to go, 6 laps to go. We cut some of them out. We led all of Heat 2. We just kind of fast-forwarded through that. And here's the main on the last lap. Did you have fun in Jacksonville, little buddy?
Yes.
What was your favorite part?
Practicing at the end, running the road course.
Getting to run the road course. That's right, we got to do that. So Ayden was really happy. Thanks for coming back and checking out our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hey.
See you later.